Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do, and it was called Yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what the things you've done, and it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning.
I'm here right now at my school. I always come back here because it's so nice. It was right at the ocean. Oh, I love it here. It's so nice. I used to sit down here always and get my lunch. It's good to be back. And there was surfing in the morning all the way out. So funny, my mom is actually here. She comes visit me. And she's just like over there, she's like, what? That's the school you used to go? She can't believe it. Because I always told her, yeah, it's a nice school, it's at the beach. But she's like really amazed by it. This is the entrance where every morning you get in, and every teacher gives every student a hand. So it's really, really small school, super small, but very family oriented. So I like it. And students, paintings, and it's really cool. This is the school I spent so much time. That's crazy. And here down there is the outdoor shower after surfing. That's pretty neat.
To something beautiful, and you know I love you so. You know I love you so.
How you like Lanikai? How you like Kailua Beach? Is this your favorite beach? Yeah. Lanikai is? It's a nice beach.
Aloha! Kailua Birdman!
Birdman.
Yeah, Kailua.
Right on.
Yeah, check me out. These all birds know me. They're all wild though.
Oh really? How
Yeah,
do they know you?
I come here every day and I train them.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Like food and stuff?
I got names for them.
Right.
I'm gonna go take them out for a swim in just a little bit, yeah?
Yeah. That was sick, dude.
You catching some good video?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Doing some vlogging.
You can find me Instagram.
Alright.
Kailua Birdman. Check it out.
Man.
To something beautiful, and you know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry.
Have you seen him?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know him?
all the things that you do.